Hello my friends, today I will show you what I coded this previous 3, maybe even 4 months. So I decided to check one strategy that was born in my mind, and I would like to present you some interesting stuff. So based at these buttons and at I will tell you what was in previous version and what we added now that you can use, the difference between two different strategies. So suppose we can trade all USD pairs, for example, in sell or buy. Suppose we have a USD, 7 USD pairs, and as you know, in previous version, the MPGOv5, MT4 and MT5 version, they used separate pairs. For example, here one pair. For example, we would like to open some sell order from this point, but price go up. We open another grid with pip step. It can be fixed pip step, for example, 20 pips for one pair. That means that this is a distance between two grid orders, or martingale orders, as you can call it. Average distance from two average martingale orders, and they always constant, like they always the same. Like for example, it's 20 pips. Okay, so you can here start to for example, you sell 1, you sell 2 lot, you sell 3 lot, you sell 4 lot, but price go up and you go in drop down. But this is, for example, your USD pair. For example, we have also GBP USD as well, and we also started at the same time. We open it. Just for example, just imagine such situation. We also open it a sell order. That means we buy USD at two currencies, at two pairs. We sell pound and we sell euro, but we buy USD at the two pairs. But this pair go in profit. Imagine this pair go in profit. You here receive no grid levels, even if two pairs will go retrace after go up. And if two pairs would go the same way, for example like this, if two pairs would go like this, if two pairs would do this, we would receive some good retracement from such orders. But imagine GBP USD not go anyway, it goes in plus from just one lot, one sell lot, and it goes in plus. It's a blue color, it's a profit, it goes in plus. But at the same time, you will go really go in some trend and you receive big minus. For example, you have number 3 pair. It will be, for example, AUD USD, for example, AUD USD. It can go. How can it go? It can go also. We start from same time, from same point. For example, it can go not much high, but for example, we would open only 1 and only 2 lots. Okay, only 2 lots, maybe even 3 lots, no problem. But it's not big drop down, for example, comparing with such lot size at your USD. And we receive, for example, this we receive situation when this price back, we receive 0, we receive nothing, we not close it here, for example. But AUD USD also in drop down 2 pip step, 5 pip steps we have at your USD. Other pairs also will have some jumps around start point. Okay, some of them can like this, some of them can go really down and receive good profit from sell orders. For example, we everywhere buy USD. For example, everywhere we buy USD. Here also we buy USD with some currencies. Or we doing like this. It can be USD UP, for example. Okay, JPY. For example, we can buy here. We can buy here like this. It's the same. We always buy USD in our example. If it will go down, we receive some minus. If it go in plus, we receive some plus. For example, it goes also down. And what I understand that some pairs can stay at the same price. It's not have some range. We not move, but we waiting for something. We not understand why we stay. And the problem of trend pairs, if you take a look at Euro USD, this is the most trend pairs, and it goes against us. It's not good. Because I see how great robots trade. Sometimes you trade, it's good, and average jumping of price, and they go in channels. But only big trend starts at some currency, at one currency. One currency can kill account. That's the problem. For example, right now UP pairs like Chief UP very trend up, and we cannot do anything. And one pair can kill multi-pair account. Multi-pair EA. One pair can kill multi-pair EA. That's the problem of the forex, that we have to hedge something. We have to do some average price at multi-currency, not only at one pair. So what I did, I'm not using now the PipStep, fixed PipStep for one pair. I'm not using this. What I'm doing now, I'm telling that I will, what I will do. For example, old PipStep was, for example, 15 pips. New also will be 15 pips, the same value. But in new we have multi-PipStep. What it means? That means that we will open multi-level of the grid. We will open at all pairs at the same time. For example, we open it start orders from this point, but once we dedicate minus 15 points, if we will plus these distances where this it can go in plus and it can go in minus. Some of them can go in plus, some of them minus. Here minus. That's minus, that's plus, because USD here, that's there is minus, there is minus, there is plus, there is minus. We take all, okay? We take all. For example, we open it and price jump it and no orders here. Here no orders, for example. What we will do? We will sum these distances. We will sum this, all of them. That will be green color, okay? We take this distance. We will take this distance. We will take this distance in plus, this in minus, this distance in minus, this distance in plus, this distance in plus, in minus, sorry. And we will sum them, and we divide them at how many pairs we trade. And we divide them at 7 USD pairs. Not this. For example, we will receive some sum, okay? Sum of distance. That will be green, sum of distance, and we divide them at 7 USD pairs if you trade USD pairs. And if this value will be in minus bigger than this 15, we open at these points, we open new additional orders, like this, multi-grid level we will open here, and your USD only will open here. So the most jumped pair will be the biggest pip step. The pair that don't move will have lowest pip step, but it will average the currency of USD. If this is USD jumped, we will understand it. We will see it. That it also can be EUR jumped, but USD stay, and only USD will start to retrace. We will receive. We will not have minus orders here at that point, because we will split the orders at the other currencies. So that's the idea was. So what we will have now in EA, we can trade. I coded it, I spent a lot of time to do like this, like you can trade your
Euro open multi-sell,
just your open it, and you see the clear pips, not points but pips, clear pips from order open price to current price, but it's calculate totally for all 7 sum this way. So once you will see here minus 15 pips, you will open new multi-sell, your sell multi, number 1 here will be. That's how it will be, and we'll add some magic number also +1 here, as we was in previous version, as you can see. Here we always have in numerator but not in divider. This is why it's always, if you sell your pairs, it will be 4000 magic. But we also, at the same time, we also can trade. Basically, this is the signal button, and if you compare this with currency correlator trader, there, if you press again one button, it will open again orders. But this robot just take signal from this button. It will not open now any more orders until here will be button pressed. You need to, this always button must be pressed for the signal. And the next level of the grid, multi-level, I call it now multi-level, multi-grid level, for all your 7 pairs will be opened once pip step, once this minus pips will reach pip step, like it will be equal to minus 15 as you set up it here. So new parameters, take a look at this. We have multi-power, that means this multi-level, multi-grid level. The strategy will be used for this. It must be always type clear vision 18. Remember this 18. Any indicator you can use to see this at visual, but the strategy must be 18. Any time frame you can see it at visual, you can use it for your signal to make decision which to trade and how many. So that's how it works. Also, I also added LastTP and multi-LastTP. They must be on. This LastTP can be off, by the way, in this method of trading. But if you need multi-LastTP, that also have separate pips, and multi-LastTP will work in my case, in my set file, once this value go in plus in 30 pips, as you can see. Once you will reach this, he will close the latest latest multi-level, if it will be 5 multi-level, not 0, for example, we open it already 5 multi-levels, so I will watch only level number 5. If it will go in plus, it will close it. Once it will close it, it will start to look number 4, like -1, it will look only at last multi-level. I hope it's clear. The same way as we did in previous version, but we just used one pair for making LastTP. But right now, yeah, calculate using these magic numbers and commands to dedicate what is the pips in average price at multi-level. We go in plus or minus from moment of the open. That's the idea. Okay. So, but again, what the most interesting, I did like this. You can
Euro open multi-buy.
You can open also Euro in buy at the same time. So calculate this, but not use this indicator for now. So this is basically semi-automatic trading, but it use grid, multi-grid, but not use these values of this indicator. This indicator only for you to make decision which button to press and how much to hold it manually. This will be very good to use at news in making some automatic LastTP with multi-levels. We have no overlap because I not understand what to do with this comments. Once we will start to do overlap, it will destroy this order and destroy this comment, and it can break a lot of logic. I tried. For now, I not understand how to do it, but I have some ideas. Maybe later I will do it. Maybe I can kill by profit multi-level. I can kill totally other multi-level if it will enough of profit. Maybe I will think about this, but as we did at one pair when we closed LastTP and killed some part of order, it's not possible for this strategy because we will destroy these commands and we will not understand who is who. And I think it can break a lot of logic and it will stop to work and it will stop calculate these points. We will not understand what to do next. That's little problem for now. But later, what we will do later. Later, I will add these new signals. Instead of pressing these buttons, we will try to do it little bit later. I need to little bit relax and to chill because I spent a lot of time to create this. So guys, I believe this is a very good strategy even for long term, not only at news. For example, you can use day one clear pips daily range. You know you have this. For example, they finish it. You go at clear vision. You set up it like ADR. You say how many bars? 1 bar only. You enough. Just a current bar. ADR. Read about ADR. I posted in Telegram how it works. And for example, if you clear pips of today range, here will be in percent who is go the most and lowest. You sell, for example, today Euro and you buy USD and keep it all night until tomorrow with multi-LastTP and multi-levels, but very, very low risk. And PipStep, for example, 30, maybe 40, no problem. Let it jump, let it go, and you will see at the moment what will happen. Maybe you can keep it even several days if it's big range and you see statistic that it's several days the same situation. Maybe it makes sense to trade little lots, but in long term. So that was Alex. I believe I will post this version tomorrow. And let's guys, if somebody interested in my clients, please join that forum. I will post that forum separate thread to discuss this separate version. Basically, this is not separate version. This will be next version of our EA, but you will just receive another additional functionality that very interesting will be for you to trade this way. I hope everyone will understand what to do with this, and maybe I don't know. It's I coded something strange, but I believe also that sometimes
Euro open multi-sell.
see this, if I close it all,
Euro open multi-sell.
it's open again because the button pressed. I believe maybe sometimes even make
AUD NZD open USD open multi-sell. CHF open multi-sell. CAD open multi-sell. JPY open multi-sell.
maybe it makes sense even to trade like this. Maybe you just press and market all eight currency in sell and you just wait. Maybe even like this. I don't know. I not tested this. I just coded and we will see what we will do next. So propose ideas, guys, and let us test this. I see sometimes you open some log. All pairs in H. See this? It makes no sense. All pairs in H. All pairs in H. If you press like this, it makes no sense. Okay, now we understand. It makes no sense. Okay, that means that at the same time we can trade only two currencies in different direction. It means if you dedicated euro bigger than USD, for example, we can trade to each other, like euro sell, USD buy.
Euro open multi-sell.
And USD buy.
USD open multi-buy.
In this case, you will never receive duplicate sell and buy at one pair. You will never receive lock at one pair if you trade two currencies to each other like this. Only in this case. So make no sense. For example, if I will open, see this, I understand how
Euro
it works.
open multi-sell.
If I press also GBP in sell,
GBP open multi-sell.
we will receive euro GBP. Yes, euro GBP will be sell and buy. That's the problem of this strategy. Only one problem. So we cannot trade at the same time two currency. But we can build a lot of strategy that based on, for example, we now can sell euro, buy USD, and make multi-level, multi-PipStep, multi-LastTP and everything like that. In time, maybe in time, if you will like it, I can say that in time, in automatic modus, maybe I believe I can make it like we can combine euro and USD in one pip step, not only one currency in one multi-pip step, in other currency in multi-pip step like this. Maybe we can combine two currencies in one multi-pip step, like euro plus USD, sell and buy, and they have, for example, they have now how many orders? They have 14, but they will have 13. They will have 13 like this. They will have 13 total position between two currencies, and only 13, and they trade to each other, euro and USD, for example, like this. And we will receive some average multi-pip step and average multi-LastTP for certain number of pairs when we start to trade euro and USD. At the same time, we can understand maybe some pairs we don't have to trade using this filter from these certain pairs. So post ideas, I just give you some information that your mind will start to think what we have to do with this next. I believe this is very good potential strategy. I not saw in market such strategies. I'm telling you this. and everybody join at forum. Let's test this and let's go. Maybe I will give you some 1 month maybe non-stop demo accounts. You can check this and you can understand what to do with this. Okay guys, okay, see you soon at forum. It was Alex. Have a good profit.